Bhavna. I represent Jindal Stainless and I head the Stainless Academy. And just in a gist, we are building a whole blue collar and white collar skills ecosystem for the stainless steel downstream industry. Okay, I'll come from perspective three ways, okay. One, I've been on the supply side. I worked with the National Skill Development Corporation, and Professor Chattopadhyay, I totally understand the difference between skills and academics, and I healthily respect it because there is a difference between creating employable workforce and learners and education. So I understand your angst around it. That's the first one. So supply side. I'm now on the demand side. I work in Jindal Stainless, and we are trying to create an ecosystem, like I said, around the downstream industry of stainless steel. And I'm also a mother, and my kids study in the US, and they are recipients of the systems that you're talking about. They're working in research labs, they're working on cutting edge research, which is futuristic, and the professors are finding the grants for them. So I get what you're saying. At this point of time, so unfortunately, I don't come from the IT world, I come from the manufacturing world, or may I say fortunately now. Look, so when we've been looking, and I'm not going to talk about students here, I'm going to talk about the academia and the teachers and the trainers, teachers over there in the classroom. So at the university, Jindal Stainless has been trying to get in inroads. We started with a 3-credit elective for the students, but more so we need help with establishing stainless steel as a category in the country, because metallurgy still doesn't deal with stainless steel. It deals with steel. It deals with other things. So we want category recognition for stainless steel. We want projects and we want research around stainless steel to happen. Let me give you an example. For example, the use of stainless steel in tunnels. For example, use of stainless steel in bridges. And if you ask us in the industry, we don't know how to do it. I mean, we know we want it because we want to sell there, but we don't know how to do it. That is where we seek your help. And I have gone, and we have had these discussions. We are willing to fund. And believe you me, when the organization is making an investment of 30,000, 40,000 crores in a new plant, 5-6 crores here or there, like that's what we would start off. Doesn't seem like a big deal. But there's a lot of resistance from the other side. And the resistance comes from things like, why should we establish stainless steel as a category? That is your job. That's the first resistance I have faced again and again. Tell us what you want. We don't know what we want. We want the establishment of stainless steel. We want you to come up with the designs. We want you to come up with the standards. We want you to advise the government, because we can't. So I think on these things, that's where we are facing that resistance. I think there is this whole need from industry to come in, and we understand the responsibility that it's our job to do it. If we won't work with academics, then we can crib till the cows come home, but nothing's going to change. So we will have to go in there in the campuses and do it. But we can only do so much of guest lecture and internship and all. But the real work will happen in the research labs, which the professors will have to show leadership around.
True.